Hello everyone! Today we will sum up what you learned during this week. So we will go through all topics you discovered during your impact classes this week. This engineering week with World Vinci Construction at your high school will be closed by a multiple choice questionnaire to collect your reflections and get together your questions after this week. This will also give us the opportunity to check if we succeeded to sparkle your interest on engineering. So today, we will review the purpose of the engineering week, the reasons you could have to love engineering, how you could explore engineering, the fact that engineering is a versatile career. What was the purpose of the engineering week with World Vinci Construction at your high school? This engineering week spent together has been dedicated to raise your awareness on what is engineering and sparkle your interest on this field. Actually, the Engineering Week is to call attention to the contributions to society that engineers make. It's also a time for engineers to emphasize the importance of learning math, science, and technical skills. It's also dedicated to ensuring a diverse and well-educated future engineering workforce by increasing understanding of and interest in engineering and technology careers. Now, this Engineering Week, is a formal coalition of more than 60 engineering, education and cultural societies and more than 50 corporations and government agencies. Dedicated to raising public awareness on engineers' positive contributions to quality of life, the Engineering Week promotes recognition among parents, teachers, and students of the importance of a technical education and a high level of math, science, and technology literacy. It also motivates youngs to pursue engineering careers in order to provide a diverse and vigorous engineering workforce. Each year, the Engineering Week reaches thousands of schools, businesses, and community groups across the United States. This year, your high school took part successfully in this program. So, you learned on Tuesday that engineers make a world of differences. Engineers are at the center of innovation, from increasing a person's life expectancy and quality of life to creating and improving the communication systems that keep us all connected. Moreover, engineers' work drives our economy, and many experts worry that America needs to produce more engineers in order to stay competitive in the global marketplace. And finally, engineering is a versatile degree. More than half of the people who have an engineering degree work in other areas like medicine, law, investment banking, and consulting, prompting many experts to call engineering the new liberal arts degree. Now, we will review together the 9 reasons why you could love engineering. The first one is that it will allow you to love your work and live your life too. Engineering is an exciting profession, but one of its greatest advantages is that it will leave you time for all the other things in your life that you love. The next one is that the engineering field is to be creative. Actually, engineering is a great outlet for imagination, the perfect field for independent thinkers. Another reason is that you will work with great people. Engineering takes teamwork, and you will work with all kinds of people inside and outside the field. Whether they are designers or architects, doctors or entrepreneurs, you will be surrounded by smart and inspiring people. After, engineering is a matter to solve problems and design things that matter. Come up with solutions no one else has thought of, or make your mark on the world. Moreover, with engineering, you will never be bored. Creative problem solving will take you into uncharted territory, and the idea of your colleagues will expose you to different ways of thinking. Be prepared to be fascinated and to have your talents stretched in ways you never expected. After, you will enjoy job flexibility. An engineering degree offers you lots of freedom in finding your dream job. It can be a launching pad for jobs in business, design, medicine, law, and government. To employers or graduate school, an engineering degree reflects a well-educated individual who has been taught ways of analyzing and solving problems that can lead to success in all kinds of fields. Next, with engineering you will travel. Fieldwork is a big part of engineering. You may end up designing a skyscraper in London or developing safe drinking water system in Asia, or you may stay closer to home, working with a nearby high-tech company or a hospital. Moreover, engineering is make a difference. Everywhere you look, you will see examples of engineering having a positive effect on everyday life. Cars are safer, sound systems deliver better acoustics, medical tests are more accurate, and computers and cell phones are a lot more fun. You will be giving back to your community. And the last reason to love engineering is that engineers change the world. Imagine what life would be without pollution controls to preserve the environment, life-saving medical equipment, or low-cost building materials for fighting global poverty. All this takes engineering. In very real and concrete ways, engineers save lives, prevent disease, reduce poverty, and protect our planet. Now, who makes good engineers? Engineers are creative and imaginative. They like collaborating with others. They are also curious and persistent. They want to make a difference. And they like solving problems and improving process. Are you surprised that excels at math and science are not on this list? Actually, this is not the most important that engineers have a solid background in maths and science. But ultimately, The best engineers are people who use their communication skills, imagination, and analytical abilities to invent, design, and create things that matter. Now, we will give you ideas to let you have a chance to explore engineering. Whether you have 5 minutes or 5 months, you will learn more about yourself, refine your goals, gain a richer perspective about the world of engineering, and maybe even boost your college applications. So in 5 minutes, you can go to the cool content of activity of the website of Discovery and select video and games. So you can watch a video about engineering, or you can play an online engineering game. In one day, you could visit the Kentucky Science Center. You could go to a local engineering event, or you can also have a tour of a college campus. Over a school semester, you could take an engineering or technology class, or you can compete in the Future City competition. And over the summer, to explore more engineering, you could go to an engineering STEM camp, or you can get a summer job or internship at an engineering company. On Wednesday, you learned engineering is a versatile career. There is perhaps no other career that spans so many areas as healthcare, agriculture, entertainment, business, and more. The many and varied ways the work of engineers is making a difference in all our life. And they do by working in areas like aerospace, materials, electrical, civil, manufacturing, chemical, bioengineering and biomedical, environmental, agricultural and biosystems, mechanical, industrial, nuclear, computer, and the last one, petroleum. Thank you for your attention, and Walsh Vinci Construction wishes you a good day.